Maria Leopoldine of Austria-Tyrol was the second spouse of her first cousin, Holy Roman Emperor Ferdinand III. As such, she was Empress of the Holy Roman Empire. She died while giving birth to the couple's only child, Archduke Charles Joseph of Austria. Childhood. Maria Leopoldine was born in Innsbruck as an Archduchess of Austria. She was the third daughter and the fifth and youngest child of Leopold V, Archduke of Further Austria, and Claudia de' Medici. The Archduchess was orphaned by her father's death a few months after her birth. At that point, her oldest brother, Ferdinand Charles, inherited Further Austria. The dowager Archduchess Claudia assumed regency because of her children's minority. In a letter written to his mother, Elizabeth of England, on 8 September 1641, Charles Louis of the Palatinate described the intentions of his uncle, King Charles I of England, and Maria Leopoldine's first cousin, Holy Roman Emperor Ferdinand III, to arrange a marriage between the Archduchess and himself. The marriage between Maria Leopoldine and Charles Louis was to end all grudges between our families. Marriage. The match between Charles Louis and Maria Leopoldine was never realized. On the 2nd of July 1648 in Linz, Archduchess Maria Leopoldine married the widowed Emperor Ferdinand III himself, thereby becoming Empress of the Holy Roman Empire, Queen of the Germans, Queen of Hungary and Queen of Bohemia. The wedding ceremony was splendid. The composer Andreas Rauch celebrated the marriage as anticipating the most beautiful end of the 30 Years' War. An opera titled I Trifoni d'amore, produced by Giovanni Felice Sances, was meant to commemorate Maria Leopoldine's marriage, but the Prague premiere was cancelled at the last moment when King Vladislaus IV of Poland died within 2 months of the wedding. The planned Pressburg performance apparently never took place. The new empress was as closely related to her husband as her cousin and predecessor, Maria Anna of Austria. Both marriages were means by which the House of Habsburg, from time to time, reinforced itself. The Holy Roman Empress soon became pregnant, and was depicted as such in the 1649 painting by the Italian painter and poet Lorenzo Lippi. The imperial couple's only child, Archduke Charles Joseph of Austria, was delivered on the 7th of August 1649. The childbirth was extremely difficult, ending in the death of the 17-year-old Empress Maria Leopoldine. Her husband remarried within 2 years, while the son died childless aged 15. She is buried in Tomb 21 in the Imperial Crypt in Vienna. The writer Wilhelm Hart von Hoberg, then at the beginning of his career, sent Emperor Ferdinand a poem written in honor of Empress Maria Leopoldine. Ancestors.